Hello everyone, in this video we want to find the value of x, and in a cyclic quadrilateral opposite angles add up to 180 degrees. It means that x plus y is equal to 180 degrees and 2y minus 30 plus x equal to 180 degrees. So we can say x plus y equal to 180 degree. X plus x will give us 2x. We can say 2x plus y equal to 180 degree. This is our equation 1. We can also say 2y minus 30 plus x equal to 180 degree. So let us transpose minus 30 to the right hand side. It will change to positive sign. So we are going to have 2y plus x equal to 180 degree plus 30 degree. So x plus 2y equal to 210 degree. This is our equation 2. Since we want to find the value of x, we need to eliminate y from this equation, and this is our equation 1, this is our equation 2. So for us to eliminate y, let us multiply equation 1 by 2. We multiply equation 1 by 2. So we are going to get 2 multiplied by 2x will give us 4x. 2 multiplied by y, we are going to have plus 2y equal to 2 multiplied by 180 degree. We are going to get 360 degree. Let us say this is our equation 3. So let us subtract equation 2 from equation 3. We are going to have 4x minus x plus 2y minus 2y equal to 360 degree minus 210 degree. 4x minus x, we have 3x plus 2y minus 2y will give us 0. 360 degree minus 210 degree, we are going to have 150 degree. 150 degree. Let us divide both sides by 3 to determine the value of x. Over 3 x equal to 50 degree. Our correct option is A. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.